Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to make your own stand for your tire punching bag. So for this project I'm gonna use a bar who is 3 meters in length, and this bar is square. As you see, it's 60 millimeters in this way, 60 millimeters in this way, and just 3 millimeters in thickness. I'm gonna make a hole 5 centimeters from the top. Now we're gonna make 2 holes on opposite side of this bar. Now we need 2 metal hooks and 1 huge bolt. I'm gonna use bolt which is 10 centimeters in length and 1 centimeter in diameter, and we have to cut the top of bolt, so that's what we get. Put the bolts through the holes. This end of bar will go deep in the ground, so we have to make it as sharp as possible. So this is what we get. Now we have to take a hammer and make this end as sharp as possible. So that's how it looks right now. It's not sharp perfectly, but it's sharp enough. So this end will be the top of stand, and this end will be the bottom. It will go deep in the ground. These metals will work for reinforcing. Make sure that everything is straight in this way and in this way. And it's almost finished. Now we have to check this straightness. It should stand like this, and it should stand like this, and this is it. Now we have to wait at least 2 days until it completely dry out. After 2 days, concrete is completely dry out and it's very hard. So now we can hang up a tire punching bag. So that's how it looks from my point of view. In the left hand I have 2 chains and 1 carbine. In the right hand I have another carbine and 2 chains. So we have to lift it up. And this is it. Tire punching bag is completely done. So now I'm gonna try this punching bag.